Hello traders, Rick here from Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today is August 18th, 2025. It is a Monday. The market is closed and I would like to do a case study episode number 12. Case study episode number 12. And it will be on CNC here, CNC. We talked about this in the trading room, shared it with members, being very oversold, maybe ready to move and move up higher. Now, we bought it here, what date was that? August 12th. August 12th. We bought it right in here, and it carried itself up right to 29.40, that area right through there, a little resistance. Now, and there it stopped, and here it's starting to pull back. Now, while I think the chart is going to go higher, I took profits today, and I will look to buy it back. The chart's been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now. I think there's a fairly good probability that we see a little bit of a rest, a little pullback into here, and then that's what I'll be waiting for, that pullback, and then the buy signal that comes in, and I'll look to buy it again. It's not going to change any of the targets to the upside. Target wise, I'm looking at 33-ish, and then up here around that 50 period moving average of 37, and then up here around 41.25, and that's our 50% retracement of just taking the high, basically the gap down to the lows. So taking the July 1 high down to the current lows here, and looking for those lines to be tagged, those target areas up there, up, like I say, up in between that 41 or 40 and 42 area, 41-ish, 41.25 here. So this was a 37% trade here. So nice little profit moving up. T-line has almost crossed above the trend indicator here, so let's give it another day or two, and maybe it will cross up. Even as we pull back, the black line, which is the 8 EMA, will push a little bit higher. And then that might set us up in a real nice 3/8 trap entry, or one of my favorites, below the highest high in the past 5 days, but yet above the moving averages. So let's keep our eyes on this one. A great trade, again, 37%, very easy, extremely visual right through here. Hey, before you leave, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was helpful. But before you leave, I want to talk about something really quick here, and that's our 30-day trial. I'm going to skip all over this, most of everything. You can click on the link to read more. But this is what you receive your first week, so pretty much right away. You sign up for the 7-day trial. I believe there's 9 ebooks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9 ebooks you receive here, both bullish and bearish. And then each week after the first week, you'll receive, like the second week, you'll receive our video on road trip to profits. The third week, you'll receive the pinball setup video. And on the fourth week, you're actually going to receive 2 videos. The rounded bottom breakout complete course, that's a big one right there. And the 3/8 gap trap video here, you'll receive on, just for that $7 is what it costs to get in for 30-day trial. So if you're interested, you can click the link in YouTube. You can find it if you look in the description on YouTube. If you're checking out Facebook, you should be able to find it right there. Where else? You should be able to find it in LinkedIn, X, and yeah, Facebook, okay? Thanks a lot for watching the video, and you guys all have a terrific rest of your day, or your day, depending on what time you watch this.